What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. I'm so out of practice, it's not even funny. Welcome back, everybody. Welcome back to the rookie series. Today we've got a good one for you. We've got super sacks. Now, super sacks are, you know, they're one of those things. They can easily move, but the last time I actually loaded this, it was a little bit nerve-wracking. But this time, it's going to be much better. I've got some tips for you, so stick around. Alright, so these are what are known as super sacks, and as you can see, they're just big sacks. So let's switch you on over to the GoPro, and we'll go have a look. Alright, so what I want to look at first real quick is you can see that it's got handles, and what we're going to do is on the very front one, I'm going to try to explain this, but it's going to be easier to show you. But basically, you're going to have two straps up here, and they're going to run across the top directly parallel to each other. And then on the sides, we're actually going to cross down. So that way it pulls this super sack, it pulls it down and in on itself. And that is actually going to be a much better way to protect and keep this super sack from moving rather than just throwing two straps straight up and straight over. So I'm gonna get to work and I'm gonna show you what that looks like here in a second. Okay, we don't have them in place, or we don't have them tied down yet, but we've got them in place. And as you can see, it's X'd here. And give me a second. I'm gonna try to do this one-handed. Sorry, it didn't work out very well. But and then up top, you see how they run parallel to each other. And then I ran them through the handles. I only did that on the front and the very back. As you can see, those are just straight across. So, and then over here on this side, we are X'd again. Now, little tip, and I've mentioned this a couple times, but try to use the spools. Don't try to use the pockets, because the pockets have sharp edges and they will tear up your straps. So try to use the spools and you won't tear up your straps. So let's tighten this down and let's see what that looks like. Right. So see, they actually stay straight up top. They defy physics. You also want to make sure that you tighten the one underneath, and make sure that that strap is underneath on the other side as well. But you see how they're pinching together? So this not only has down pressure, it's also pulling back. This strap here has down pressure and it's pulling forward. So this set of super sacks, they're not going anywhere. So, and then I went ahead and tightened that one down. I mean, that one's just self-explanatory. So you've got this cross here. Everything in the middle is just single strapped, and then the very back is just like this one. So no need to show you the rest of that. I've got to get all these tightened up, and yeah, then I got to tarp it. So I got to get to work because I still have a lot of work left. You know, like I said, no need to show the rest of this. It's good to go. But if you want some tips on tarping, check out this video right here. It's definitely my best video. It's also my most popular video. It's called how to tarp a flatbed load, and there's a lot of nice tips there, so you guys can check that out. I'm not going to go over tarping today. We're just going to keep it how to secure super sacks. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you like it, give this video a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give it a thumbs down. You know, it's your call. But don't forget to subscribe, ring that notification bell so you know when my next tip video is coming out. And be sure to check out tomorrow's vlog of today. Later.